Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram where something went wrong. To know how to fix Instagram where something went wrong, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, and then in this list you will go down to application of Instagram, like this Instagram here. And after that, in this page you will go to force stop. When you will click force stop here like this, you will go to storage and you will click here. And after that, in this list in this page, you will go to clear cache here. And after that, you will click clear data, and then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.